Today's menu, the Cookem Bacon Cheeseburger. First, we'll look at the ingredients. Pause the video to look at the list. Starting with our ground beef, if it is frozen, place it in the refrigerator to thaw overnight. Now onto our burger sauce. Finally, dice up the pickles. To a bowl, add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of the pickles we diced up earlier, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. After 24 hours, the meat has thawed, so now we can put it in a bowl, crack 1 egg into the bowl, 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. The egg acts as a binding agent, helping hold the burger patty together. As the proteins in the egg coagulate when exposed to heat, it creates a network that binds the meat and all the ingredients together to prevent the patty from falling apart during cooking. We'll chop up our tomato and peel and slice our onion. Now we're going to transition to the bacon, switch cutting boards, and cut our strips into halves. This will allow us to fit more bacon onto our burger. On the stove, we're going to put our pan to medium-high heat and cook our bacon to our desired doneness. While the bacon is cooking, we're going to line a plate with a paper towel to lay on once they are finished. This will allow the oil to seep off into the paper towel. The method of heat transfer used to cook the bacon primarily involved conduction, as the heat transferred from the stove to the pan to the bacon itself. Now we're going to put mayonnaise on both sides of the buns and toast them each until golden brown. Now let's cook the patties. On high heat, place the patty on the pan and press it down. When exposed to heat, the egg and the beef will start to denature and the proteins will break down. As the proteins unfold and lose their structure, they'll reorganize and bond with each other, forming a network that traps the water molecule. Ensure that the beef is over 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that E. coli and salmonella are free from the beef. It is important in ground beef where the surface is mixed throughout the product during the processing. Now place the cheese and melt it. As you can see, we used a lid to melt it quicker. Take it off when it is melted. Now to assemble the burger. Remember, when enjoying your burger, multiple principles of food science played a part. The conduction to the patty and the bacon, the coagulation of the egg in your patty, and using the science to keep us safe and healthy, ensuring that our patty got to 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Who knew food science would be so delicious? Thank you and enjoy.